Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can download and sign up on your Meetup app. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Play Store on your Android device or your App Store on your iOS device, and simply go ahead and search for your Meetup app. As you can see, simply go ahead and tap on the first application and go ahead and tap on the install button. Go ahead and download and install this application on your phone. Once you have downloaded and installed the application, simply go ahead and tap on the open button. Once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign up into the application, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the sign up button on top right over here. Once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you'll have to either continue with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email. So basically, if you tap on continue with Facebook, it will ask you your Facebook's account username and password, and it will just make an account based on your Facebook. If you tap on continue with Google, same goes. It will ask you your email and your password of your Gmail account, and it will simply go ahead and log in with it. But I'm going to show you how you can continue with your email so you can have your control over the password that you set on Meetup. So simply go ahead and tap on continue with email, and over here you want to simply go ahead and enter your full name on top. Go ahead and enter your email on the second tab, and go ahead and enter a password on the third tab. Once you go ahead and enter all the information, you want to tap on age and go ahead and enter your age, and then finally enter your gender, and now simply tap on sign up. And as you can see, your account will be successfully created. So you want to simply go ahead and tap on enable location so that your application can get the location where you are, and simply go ahead and tap on continue. And here you can simply choose what you like as a category. So I'm gonna go ahead and say sports, I'm gonna say photography, and I'm gonna say music, because why not, and tap next. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and enter your interests right over here, and I'm gonna tap next after entering my interests. And here you can simply join groups if you want to. I'm going to simply tap next. And as you can see, there you go. You are successfully signed up into your Meetup application. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.